Welcome to how to find out who blocked you on Tinder. So in this video we are going to show you how to find out who blocked you on Tinder. But before start of this video, I want you guys to like this video and subscribe to my YouTube channel. So first of all, what you're gonna need to do is just open up Tinder application on your phone, and once you do this, what you're gonna need to do is you will just simply turn on your location. So I will just go ahead and turn on the location. And once you turn on the location, now there are basically two methods from which you can check who blocked you on Tinder. The first one is Tinder will stop recommending you that specific person if he or she have blocked you. Okay, and the next thing that you can do is you can just go into the messaging, and then here what you're gonna have to do is, if you have previously talked with someone and now you are unable to send them a message, that means that that person might have blocked you. So that's it for this video, guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will meet you in the next video.